Good morning, it's 6:30 AM and we're about to leave Koh Samui. We've already got our taxi waiting for us. We're a little bit late. It's down there. We're gonna head to the bus terminal. Morning! Today we've got a long tiring day. It will be about 13 hours of traveling down south. We're going to Penang in Malaysia. That's it. Way to go. Yep. The thing about traveling, especially if it's from one country to the other, is it's very tiring. You're gonna get on a bus and then on a ferry and then on another bus. Back to the bus. Just arrived to Hat Yai. Now we're going to the office, exchange our tickets and go to the border to Malaysia. So we had to change and we got a minivan this time. We just went through Malaysian, we got already our visa. Look at this place, this is empty. This is the first time. No queues, anything. This place is completely empty. Welcome to Malaysia! It will be our last country all together. It's already starting to get dark. We've been driving since 7:30. It's now what? 7 o'clock or 7 or 8 around that time. Still got a few hours. And we're taking some coconuts to Malaysia. The guy dropped us off right in the heart of the town, in Georgetown. So that was very convenient. Now we just got a 15-minute walk to our hotel. Then we're gonna head back and have some dinner. It's been a very tiring day. 15 hours in total.
15 hours after, we're here.
Thank you. Just about to check in. So we've just checked into our room. Look at Christiana's face. How is it?
Oh, I'm gonna be a princess tonight.
Look at this bed.
Oh.
Got television, bathroom. Nice and modern. Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Let's go and get some food.
Thank you.
So we came down to Little India. This is our first real Indian restaurant in Southeast Asia. We tried it in Vietnam, it was horrible. Thailand as well, so we have high expectations about this one. Yeah, and we're trying a lassi for the first time. Very famous drink in India.
Bon, c'est bon. C'est bon.
Christian, she's already digging into her curry. How is it?
Spicy.
Obviously spicy. My food has arrived, tandoori chicken. Just finished our Indian dinner. That was perfect. Now we're gonna head back to our hotel. We're nearly arriving. What about you guys?
Always good.
Very good.
Yeah, nice Indian.
Yeah, but now it's extremely hot.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Say goodbye. Good evening. Today is the next day. I'm not feeling very good. I don't know if you can tell. We're a bit of a flu, but we're on the road to recovery. We're about to treat ourselves, and we're gonna treat ourselves really good. And you're gonna see in a second. Yeah. There we go. Let's go. We're ready. Let's see the magic happens. Woo!
Enjoy.
Smoky. Thank you. Terima kasih. Macaron.
First time I'm trying this.
How is it?
Delicious. How is it?
Best ice cream. We had to change hotels because our one were fully booked for today. And here's Christiana. And who are these guys? I don't know. They were here already when we arrived, so we had
People ever.
so we had to share a room for the next five days. I think 5 days. Tomorrow we are going wander around Penang. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.